Hi guys, it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it is time for Car Chat. I hope you're doing great. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I did. I had a wonderful Christmas. And I'm back to work today. It is Tuesday, which is weird because normally I do Car Chats on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But I don't know about you, but when I take the day off on Monday, it feels like a Sunday. It doesn't feel like a Monday. It doesn't have that Monday vibe. So I forgot. I literally forgot yesterday was Monday. I not only forgot to do my car chat, but I also forgot to call my dad. And I always call my dad on Mondays. So we're just going to pretend today's Monday. And it's actually okay because I think starting the first week of January, I was planning to switch to a Tuesday, Thursday schedule anyway because work is getting really busy and will be busy this whole spring. So I thought Tuesday, Thursday would be good because Wednesday, Fridays are my busy days at work. So yeah, I thought I'd switch it around anyway, but it seems like it's just going to go a week earlier. So I think I'm going to start the Tuesday, Thursday this week. So what have I got going on? Guys, it was so wonderful to just stay home and crochet. Sorry, I'm picking a little dog hair off of my blanket before I show you. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, though, it was so nice just to sit and just crochet. And I finished the tutorial. Well, I finished filming the tutorial for the beret. And Ginger, I believe, has finished the testing of the pattern. So that's going to be good to go soon. And I'll talk about that more next week, just because we've got some announcements to make for yarn hookers, and that's kind of in there. So yeah, I don't want to say too much more about my patterns. Because there are some more coming out. I designed this little scarf that I really like a lot, and I can't wait to show you that. So I didn't bring it with me today, so you'll just have to tune in next time to see the scarf. What else? I worked on the giant hexie. I finished all the reds that I have. I'll move it up closer so you can kind of see. And I switched over to purple. So I've got just a little bit of this purple. I don't think I'll be able to do much more than one stripe of it because it's almost all gone already. I don't know if I've gone all the way around. I might have just made it all the way around once and maybe a little bit more. Maybe I'll have a little bit more. I don't want to unfold it in the car because it's honestly gotten so big that it would be hard to fit. And it's hard to fold up and put back away. So that actually might be close to being done. I might just finish it off with the purple. I have a lighter purple that's going to follow that one that I've got quite a bit of. So I might just finish it off with the purples and be done with that project. My free blanket, really, because it's all scraps. So scrappy blankets are like a free blanket. They really are. Sorry about that. I'm very phlegmy. So gross. Anyway, yeah, scrappy blankets are like a free blanket, and they're also like a free spa session. I mean, you get to just relax with them. They're mindless, you know, you just do that mindless stitching while you relax and go to your zen place, go to your happy place, right? So, yeah, it's cheaper than therapy, I think. So, also, it's barely fitting in the bag at this point. Barely fitting. All right. I also brought a few things that I wanted to show you because I'm so excited. I got yarn for Christmas. Well, actually, I got a gift certificate for yarn from my son and my husband to my favorite yarn shop. And it's a little store about 45 minutes away from my house. So it's a little bit of a road trip. But it's my favorite store. It's called Sybil's. And I actually did a little yarn shop tour of Sybil's, and I'll put the picture of the video over here. So if you want to check out that video, you can at the end. I'll leave a link at the end in the end screen. So anyway, that was one Yarny gift that I got, which I love. I'm very excited about. The guys are a little hesitant to buy me any yarn. Actually, nobody's ever bought me actual yarn before this Christmas. My sister bought me yarn. She did. She lives in Florida and she sent it up to me. She picked it all out and she did a great job. Look at that. You can probably tell just by looking at it how soft that yarn is. It's so soft. So, it's Red Heart, Hygge. I think it's so funny that Red Heart finally decided to put the pronunciation on there because for so long everybody was mispronouncing Hygge, myself included. So, oh, it's so soft. I wish you could feel it. It's a bulky weight yarn. It's a 5. It's looking for a 10.5, size 10.5 or K, or in my terms, 6.5 millimeter. I always go by the millimeter. Yeah. So I have got 212 yards of this. What shall I make? I think it's calling out to be a cowl. It's so soft. So I love that. But there's more. There's more. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So beautiful. Mandala by Lion Brand. I have 590 yards of this. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. This is a 3-weight yarn, and it is looking for a size H or 8, or in my words, 5 millimeter. There is a nice halo on this yarn. It's kind of fuzzy. It's really soft. 590 yards. And the color is Chimera or Chimera. I don't know exactly if I'm saying that right. It says one ball could make a scarf. That might be what happens with this yarn. It's so pretty. It's just like a rainbow. Oh, I love it. Okay, she has one more. One more. I think I got some of the yarn unwound. I've come unwound. This is Karen, Simply Soft Party, and let's see. Don't know if I can get it in a sunbeam or not. Charlie Brown, do you think we can get it in a sunbeam? I don't think so, but I'll hold it up nice and close so you can see all of the glistening sparkles in this beautiful party yarn. So this is a size 4 medium weight yarn. This is calling for an H8 or 5 millimeter hook. 85 grams. Let's see what the yardage is. Did I already say the yardage? No, I didn't. 164 yards. So, what shall I make with that? What shall I make? We'll see. We'll see. So soft, so sparkly. Thank you so much, Jen. I love it. Maybe now she'll be convinced that I really do love to get yarn. Whenever I ask for yarn, people just roll their eyes. Like I won't really like it. I do. I really like it. Yesterday I made another beret. This one is gray. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. I haven't tried this one on yet. What do you think? It's okay, right? The reason I made another beret, because I already have 3. So, let's see. I have this one. I have this one. I have this one. And now I have a gray one. The reason I have a gray one, though, is because I needed to make one to do the tutorial. So I had to make another one. So this is it. I was going to make one with this really, it's in a bag. Can't really see it very well. I told you that I was going to make one with this really cool, funky, sparkly yarn. And I did start it, but honest to God, you guys, that yarn split so much. It took all the fun out of making the beret. So I actually ordered some sparkly yarn that's supposed to be coming today, I hope. And I'm going to make yet another beret with pretty sparkly yarn. What I ordered was Big Twist Twinkle. Yeah, Big Twist Twinkle. So I ordered that from Joann's. That should be coming soon. Sorry, I'm joggling my camera. It's because my regular mic died yesterday. My long corded microphone. I was in the middle of a tutorial too. I was in the middle of this tutorial, and I looked back at my footage, and half of it, there's no sound. So there'll be some voiceovers in that tutorial for sure, because you can't hear anything. So as aggravating as it was, I got a hat. Maybe I'll leave this one on. They probably think I'm crazy. Every time I leave work, I come back with a different hat on. Last week I left with a red hat on and came back with the teal hat. Today I left with the red one on. I'll come back with a gray one. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But it matches my gray gloves. Okay, I think that's all I've got for you today, guys. I'm really looking forward to Thursday night. It is New Year's Eve, and I am going to have a very socially distanced get together with Elaine from Kiwi Crocheter. Elaine is way far away in New Zealand. I'm not sure you could get much further away than New Zealand from me. So yeah, we are going to have a very socially distanced New Year's Eve together at 10:30 my time. Her time, it'll be 4:30 on New Year's Day. 4:30 p.m. New Year's Day, New Zealand time. 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for me. Okay, so that was awkward. You didn't know it, but I had continued talking, and just before I was cut off by a telemarketer on my phone, and I didn't realize that it would stop my filming. So, yeah, I stopped filming and didn't know, and I just kept talking. But that's okay. At any rate, I was just closing up anyhow. I was just saying, if you don't have anything to do New Year's Eve, come on over to the Whippy Chick channel, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4:30 p.m. New Zealand Standard Time, I think is what it's called. NZST, I assume. New Zealand time, at any rate. And yeah, you can join us while we get to know Elaine better. I've got some questions for her. I hope she has some questions for me. And we'll get to know each other better. And yeah, if nothing else, you can just listen to Elaine's coolest accent ever. And just enjoy listening to her because she's so fun. I really, really enjoy her channel. So, and if you haven't checked out her channel, go check it out. Go subscribe, go like, go share. Her name is Elaine, and she is the Kiwi Crocheter. That's the name of her channel, Kiwi Crocheter. Okay, this has gone on long enough. Oh, don't forget to check out Yarn Hookers this Saturday, because we've got some fun announcements to make. Cool stuff going on over at Yarn Hookers, so don't forget that. We are at Melanie's channel, so that's Hook to the Left, and yeah, there's already links up for that. So, oh, and two other things I'd like you to do if you haven't done them already, because I'd love to see your work. I'd love to see what you've been up to. So if you're a Facebook person, come on over and join me at Whippy Chick Crochet Connections and Yarn Hookers. has a Facebook Facebook group. They're both groups. Come join those Facebook groups because we're having a lot of fun, and we're learning a lot from each other and seeing everybody's work, and there's even going to be some challenges for prizes. So yeah, come on over to Facebook if you're a Facebook person. If you're not a Facebook person, that's okay. I completely understand. I really do. I gave up Facebook for a few years myself. And the only thing I do on Facebook now is the yarn stuff. So I completely get it. But if you are a Facebook person, we'd love to see you. We're also on Instagram. So you can check out Yarn Hookers on Instagram. You can check out Whippy Chick on Instagram. So get all the social media things going. Okay, you guys, I'm going to leave some pretty shots at the end of the video. The sunrise this morning was beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I was shivering when I opened the window to take a picture of it, but it was worth it. Definitely worth it. Right, Charlie Brown? All right, guys, take care. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.